My student, this is our video number 4 of long question answers of chapter 10. Question number 1 is, describe some of the advantages scientists, inventors, doctors and industrialists have given to the world in the last 2 centuries. How would life be different for yourself without these discoveries? Answer: mankind has made many advances in the following fields, especially in the last 200 years. Give the heading of health. The expectation of life has increased from about 30 years to 60 or even 80 years. In some developed countries, terrible illness and injuries are being healed. Mass diseases such as the plagues of the past and epidemics have been generally controlled. Give the next heading of living conditions. Many of the world's people now have access to water supplies, sanitation, reasonable housing and power. The discoveries of scientists and inventors, mass produced in factories, have brought a range of products within reach of the common man. Leave one line and after that write the next point. Give the heading of the next point. Transport and communication. People can move about their country or the world more comfortably and quickly than in the past. They can speak to or even see people on other side of the world in a second. Next point, conflicts. There are still wars, but they are on a much smaller scale than in the past. Last point of this question, living without these discoveries, life would be more adverse in all aspects. In health, the life expectancy would have minimized to so years. Living conditions would have become poorer. Transportations and communications would be slower ones. Due to these problems, conflicts would have risen to its high levels. Question number 2. Write a short note on Chernobyl disasters. Give the heading of Chernobyl disasters. Chernobyl disaster was a nuclear reaction accident that occurred on 26 April 1986 at Chernobyl nuclear plant in Ukraine. It is considered to be the worst nuclear power plant accident in history. Next heading of effects. It is resulted in severe release of radioactive rays following massive power explosion that destroyed the reactor. Most deaths were caused by the release of radioactive poisoning gas. Next heading, effects on the people. 56 direct deaths, 80,000 people suffered from radioactive radiation exposure, which resulted as many as 40,000 cancer deaths over lifetime of those exposed. Last heading, effects on environment. Fumes drifted on a large scale on parts of Western Soviet Union and other parts of Europe with some nuclear rain. Question number 3. Explain how the advantages of the new discoveries affects on land, atmosphere and water. Answer. There is a downside to all of this improvement. Pollution of the atmosphere, land and water is a major problem of our world. Point number 1 of this question, pollution of land. Like air and water, land is not spread from pollutions, harmful chemicals and wastes are released into soil by individuals and industries. Most of the land pollutants come from the rubbish that we throw every day. Next point, pollution of atmosphere. Today, electricity demands endless supplies of oil, gas and to a lesser extent coal. All of these belch vast quantities of poisonous gases and chemicals into the atmosphere, as do motor vehicles. Last point of this question, pollution of water. Huge factories pour out smoke and gases, and often in the process of manufacture, dangerous waste products are created. These are allowed to run into rivers and then the sea. They poison fish and plants in the water, and in the case of rivers, often affect water supplies taken from them. After long question answers, you have to make the blanks. For your convenience now, in this video, I am showing you the blanks. If you want to make from here and if you want to yourself. And please see the info and make the blanks from there and from your chapter. You can make 20 blanks. Okay, thank you so much.